Good morning, first graders. Happy Wednesday. Here we are, our last week of blueprints. And we've got, let's see here, this week and then 3 more weeks of school until summertime. I am so proud of you and all of your hard work. All right, so today we're finally going to read this story called The Hat. Our theme concept is we can do it. Our strategy again is to monitor and clarify while we're looking at cause and effect. We're going to see some things that happened in the story of the hat, and then we're going to look at what was the cause of those things. All right, let's go ahead and read it together. What does monitor and clarify mean? Whenever I read and I don't understand, I do 3 things before I raise my hand. I can reread, look at the pictures, or read ahead. All right, today we're getting those stretchers ready. Here we go. First word, part. Next word, mat. Next word, weight. Next word, now. Last word, hat. Awesome. Alrighty, we've got those suffixes. Here we go. Suffix, er. What's the sound? Yep, And what is our meaning? Someone who or more. For example, we could have a builder. A builder is someone who does what? Yep, builds. Or we could be talking about more. I could say that somebody is like happier than somebody else, and that just means you're more happy. But what if you're the happiest? If you're the happiest, that means that you are the most happy out of 2 or more things that we're talking about. So that suffix is est and it says est, which means the most. All right, our suffix is ly, sound. Yep, ly, meaning in a way that is. Last one, prefix. This comes at the beginning of the word. re, sound. Re, meaning again or back. All right, you've been working pretty hard. This is the middle of the week. We got this. We can do it. Let's see if we can go a little quicker through these. The er goes at the end of the word, which is shorter, which is someone who is short. Or we could have the short est, which means you are the most short out of all of them, comparing 2 or more. We could have the suffix ly, which says ly. If you did something slowly, that means you're doing it in a way that is slow. And lastly, the prefix re, you could rejoin. That means you're going to join again. All right, irregular word review. You ready? We got this. All right, sit up tall. Take a deep breath. Alrighty. My turn. Thought. Your turn. With your fingers, I'd like you to snap out and spell thought. Now, if you can't snap, that's okay. Just do a little clapping. All right, here we go. Spell thought. Nice job. My turn. I. Your turn. All right, this time I'd like you to point to your eye, and with each letter, just give a little point. Don't poke it, just point. Here we go. Spell I. Nice work. My turn. Beautiful. Your turn. All right, this time let's go ahead and put your hands on top of your lap, and we're going to tap on our lap at the top of your knees. Tap out and spell beautiful. Spell beautiful. Great job. My turn. Sorry. Your turn. All right, let's go ahead and spell sorry in a voice that, it's kind of hard to make a sorry voice, but you could be like, I'm so sorry. Can you spell sorry in a sorry voice? I'll do it with you. Here we go. Ready? Spell sorry. S-O-R-R-Y. Sorry. Ooh, that was a great little sorry voice you guys did with me. Thanks. My turn, smaller. Your turn. Yep, smaller means, see, I see that ER, someone who is more small or something that is more small. So I could say, my, sandwich is smaller than your sandwich, which means it's more small. All right, here we go. Let's pretend that you have your hands up really, really high in the air, but you're pushing down on something to make it smaller and smaller. All right, get those hands up, ready to push down with each letter. Spell smaller. Great job. My turn. Give. Your turn. All right, I'd like you to go ahead and snap out your fingers. Let's spell give. Great job. My turn. Something. Your turn. All right, let's go ahead and do it in a big, giant voice. Spell something. Nice work, first graders. All right, you know this word. Spell it. What is it? Yep, the word's you. Spell you. Great. My turn. Walk. Your turn. All right, go ahead and put your hands out like you're going to walk on your hands with your fingers. All right, here we go. Spell walk. Good job. My turn tonight. Your turn. All right. In a robot voice, spell tonight. Nice job, robots. My turn. What? Your turn. In a, let's see, how about whatever voice you feel like doing for this last word? Spell what? Ready? Pick which voice you want to do. All right, in whatever voice you want. Spell what? Nice job. All right, letter sounds review. Let's start off with those first three. Let's see if you remember. The ER, the UR, the IR, they all make what sound? All right, here we go. Sound, sound, sound. All right, did you say for all three of those? I hope so. Sound, sound. If you forgot this one, it's I, sound. That one you should have said E, sound. Yep, here we go. Again. Sound, sound, sound. So you're saying I, sound, sound. One last All right, here we go. Day 3. Sound, sound, blend. You should be doing nigh, sound, blend, word. Yep, hopefully you said night, night. Sound. This is going to be a hard one. Ready? Here we go. Wait for it. Sound, blend, sound, blend, word. Haha, tricked you. That was like easy peasy kindergarten word. The next one's going to be really hard too. Just wait. Sound. I'll give you a hint. It's something you put on your head. Sound, blend, sound, blend. How many of you are guessing a hat? Yep, if you guessed it, you got it. 2 more words. Sound, sound, blend. Should be doing pull, sound. Yep, blend, play, sound. The CE makes the sound. Blend, word. Great job. You should have said place. Last one, sound, sound, blend. Should have sound. blend. Good job. Sound. It could we do d, t, or ed, either one. Blend. Turn t, turn ed, or turned. Yep, if you said turned, you're correct. That one we didn't clap it out either. Let's clap out turned. Here we go. Turned. You know why? Turned. It's just one syllable. We didn't even need to clap it out. I guess we could, and it's just one syllable. All right, first graders, amazing job. We've got 2 more days of blueprints this week, and you are rocking it.